Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to talk about Microsoft Semantic Kernel. As I mentioned last video, we use this import plugin from type and we are just passing our plugin name, and here is tightly coupled this API key. In this video, we fix that issue, how to import this plugin. Let's start. The first step, I have to pass the API key as a argument, the constructor, as our old sample. So here I change, like using the primary constructor, I use this API key. This is no more required here. This constructor completely removed, and this also is not needed. Here I create the object client, and this API key I have to pass it. So the code is ready. Go to the program.cs file. Here we are using this import plugin from type. This no more required. We have to use another API called import plugin from object. This API we have to use. So here we can pass the external API object. So new of external weather plugin, and API key is argument config dot weather API key, and plugin name of plugin, so external weather plugin. That's it. So this API no more required. I remove this one. Import plugin object now. That's it. The rest of the code same. No need to do any changes. We run this application and see the result. City name, this time Bangalore. Here the result. That's it. I hope you can understand how to use import plugin from object and import plugin from type. Thanks to all.